is this French press. The brand sent it to me to review, and when you unbox it, you're gonna find this cleaning tool, some instructions, and here's the French press. It also has this filter and this scooping spoon. Before using this French press, give it a rinse, and this extra filter is just a replacement if you want to have a deep clean. To brew the coffee, take out the whole lid and add your coarse coffee grounds. Pour in your boiling water and give it a stir. Then close the lid and let it steep for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, press it down. And because it has a 3-level filtration, you shouldn't see any coffee grounds in your coffee. And I love that you can just make one serving instead of a lot. I love the clean extraction of the coffee, and you can use this French press for tea, coffee, or even as a milk frother. It's really easy to clean. Just open the lid and give it a rinse. When cleaning it, don't use any steel wool so it doesn't scratch. Instead, use the sponge that comes with it. And if you use a dishwasher more often, this French press is dishwasher safe also. If you're looking for an easy to use and clean French press, check this one out.